How to change your server on OmeTV. What's up everyone? For today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can change server on OmeTV. So the first thing that you want to do is open your local browser and pay attention on the upper right corner of the screen where you can see the three dots right here. Just click on it and toggle on the one with the icon or the image. Click on Manage Profiles and just create a new Chrome profile. Just input your name and you're all set. After doing that, all you have to do here is search for Urban VPN. This is what you will need so that you will be able to change your server. Just click on Free Download. It will be routed into the Chrome web page and you will be able to add the Urban VPN proxy to your Chrome extension. Just click on Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. You'll be able to see here in the upper right corner of the screen that it has now been downloaded. Once done, click on the extension icon and make sure that you pin the extension for Urban VPN. Click on the three dots menu and go to Manage Extension. You'll be able to see that it's up and running now. In this way, you'll be able to successfully use this extension to change your server. Going back to the extension, click on the three bars menu and click on Manage Extension. Here, there's an option that allows you to do incognito. Make sure that you toggle that on since we will be opening OmeTV. Through the incognito tab, all we have to do is click on the three dots menu on the upper right corner and click on New Incognito tab. Search for OmeTV. Then select the extension on the upper right corner of the screen and make sure you click on the play button so that your server will be up and running. Now when you click the OmeTV, this is where you will be routed. All you have to do is sign in and you can continue with your Facebook account or your VK account. And that's it. Hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching.